What do you do every day? Sports activities. I play volleyball at the beach. I play volleyball at the beach. I play badminton. I play badminton. I practice karate at the dojo. I practice karate at the dojo. I run in a local marathon. I run in a local marathon. I take a spinning class. I take a spinning class. I play golf with friends. I play golf with friends. I join a yoga retreat. I join a yoga retreat. I go skiing in the winter. I go skiing in the winter. I try snowboarding. I try snowboarding. I play rugby. I play rugby. I participate in a dance class. I participate in a dance class. I practice archery. I practice archery. I go kayaking on the lake. I go kayaking on the lake. I join a boxing gym. I join a boxing gym. I try surfing for the first time. I try surfing for the first time. I learn fencing. I learn fencing. I go scuba diving. I go scuba diving. I practice gymnastics. I practice gymnastics. I do martial arts training. I do martial arts training. I try aerial yoga. I try aerial yoga. I try paddle boarding. I try paddle boarding. I do powerlifting. I do powerlifting. I go for a walk. I go for a walk. I ride a bike. I ride a bike. I play cricket. I play cricket. I play table tennis. I play table tennis. I go fishing. I go fishing. I play ultimate frisbee. I play ultimate frisbee. I join a lacrosse team. I join a lacrosse team. I play soccer. I play soccer.